Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Marriott Bonvoy Card detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate your Marriott Bonvoy Card, start by locating your card. Ensure you have your card handy and check for the activation instructions. Visit the official Marriott Bonvoy website or the link provided with your card. Look for the Activate Your Card option on the home page. Click on the link to proceed to the activation page. You may be prompted to enter your card number. Carefully input your 16-digit card number from the front of your card. Next, enter your personal information as requested. This usually includes your name, address, and date of birth. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid activation issues. After filling in your details, review everything for correctness. Then, look for the Submit button and click it. You may receive a confirmation message on the screen. If prompted, keep your confirmation number for your records. In some cases, you may need to verify your identity via email or text message. Follow any additional steps provided if verification is required. Once verified, your card should be activated immediately. You can now start using your Marriott Bonvoy Card for bookings and rewards. If you encounter any issues during activation, contact customer support for assistance. Have your card details ready when you reach out. Now, enjoy taking advantage of your Marriott Bonvoy benefits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.